The ignition coil is an absolutely fundamental, yet often unseen component in the world of gasoline engines. It's an electrical powerhouse that takes the standard battery voltage and transforms it into the incredible energy needed to ignite fuel. Here is a detailed breakdown of the ignition coil, covering its definition, functions, types, and operation. A quick reminder to subscribe, like, and share the video. So, let's begin. Ignition coil, the high-voltage transformer. The ignition coil is essentially an electrical transformer designed to step up the low 12 volts supplied by a car's battery into the extremely high voltage, typically between 20,000 and 50,000 volts, required to create a spark across the gap of a spark plug. Its core function is to convert low-tension or low-voltage DC current into high-tension or high-voltage pulsed current, which is absolutely necessary to initiate combustion in the engine cylinders. How it works: the spark generation. The ignition coil operates as a powerful step-up transformer, using electromagnetic induction to create the high voltage needed for the spark plug. Charging, build magnetic field. The ECU allows 12 volts from the battery to flow through the coil's primary winding, which is few turns of thick wire. This immediately creates a powerful magnetic field around the central iron core. Collapsing, inducing high voltage. The ECU then instantly cuts the current to the primary winding. The strong magnetic field collapses extremely rapidly. Transformation. Quick collapse of the magnetic field cuts across the secondary winding, which has thousands of turns of thin wire. Due to the massive difference in the number of turns, this action induces an immense voltage spike, upwards of 20,000 volts. Spark delivery. This high-voltage surge travels to the spark plug, creating the necessary electrical arc, or the spark, to ignite the fuel mixture in the cylinder. Types of ignition systems. 1. Conventional ignition system, CIS. This is the oldest type, relying on mechanical parts for timing and distribution. Coil type uses a single ignition coil. Mechanism. The coil produces a single high-voltage surge. This surge is routed through a large spinning component called the distributor cap and rotor. The rotor acts as a switch, physically connecting the high-voltage spike to the correct spark plug wire for the cylinder currently in its compression stroke. Key feature: uses mechanical timing via breaker points or magnetic sensors and physical distribution via the distributor. Drawbacks: slow response, wear-prone moving parts, and less accurate timing at high RPMs. 2. Distributorless ignition system, DIS. Also known as the waste spark system, this design eliminates the mechanical distributor entirely. Coil type uses a coil pack or rail coil, which is 2 or 3 coils packaged together. Mechanism. The ECU directly controls the firing of the coils. Since the coils fire in pairs, one coil handles 2 cylinders simultaneously. These cylinders are always 360 degrees apart in the engine cycle. One is on its compression stroke, the other is on its exhaust stroke. The spark that occurs in the compression cylinder is the useful spark. The spark that occurs in the exhaust cylinder, where the air-fuel mixture has already been burned and expelled, is the waste spark. Key feature: increased reliability due to fewer moving parts, better timing accuracy than CIS. 3. Coil-on-plug system, COP. Also called pencil coils or coil per cylinder, CPC, this is the dominant design in modern vehicles. Coil type uses an individual coil for every single spark plug. Mechanism. The coil is mounted directly on top of or very close to the spark plug, often resembling a pen or pencil shape. The ECU controls each coil's firing independently. Key feature: this provides the highest level of timing precision, the fastest response, and the shortest path for the high voltage, minimizing energy loss and interference, leading to better efficiency and performance. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Your support will help keep the content coming. Stay safe and see you in the next one.